Hello, Dr. Emma. I'm Hian Dong, and this is our AFW 369 group project presentation. And these are our group members. For this project, we choose 6 stocks to make a portfolio. For reducing risks, we choose stocks from 3 different markets over the world. The 3 markets are United States stock, 0001, also called Shanghai Securities Composite Index and Hong Kong Stock Exchange. 2 stocks from US stock market are Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft, and 2 stocks from 0001 is Guizhou Multi and Guangzhou Energy. 1 stock from Hong Kong Stock Exchange is Xiaomi Corporation. For our investment strategy, our investment strategy is a comprehensive plan or approach that outlines how an individual, institution, or fund intends to invest its financial resources to achieve specific financial goals. The strategy is designed to guide decision-making regarding the allocation of funds across different assets and investment vehicles. The primary objectives of an investment strategy typically include maximizing returns, managing risk, and achieving long-term financial objectives. For our investment strategy, the most is diversification. Diversification is a risk management strategy that creates a mix of various investments within a portfolio. We spread different markets to reduce unsystem risk, so we choose 3 stock markets, 6 stocks. We also use buy and hold strategy, but mostly for US stock markets. US stock market is one of the most stable markets, so we choose to use this strategy in which investors buy stock and hold them regardless of fluctuation of the market. An investor who uses a buy and hold strategy actively selects investments but also has no concern for short-term price movements and technical indicators. We decided to hold US stock for a long period. Market timing strategy is chosen to invest 0001. Market timing refers to an invest strategy through which a market participant makes buying and selling decision by predicting the price movements of a financial asset in the future. 0001 is a potential but risky market. If we want to get profit in this market, we have to operate frequently or we will get lost easily. The American multinational technology company Microsoft Corporation has its main office in Redmond, Washington. The Microsoft 365 suite of productivity apps, the Edge web browser, and the Windows operating system family are among the company's best-known software offerings. The Microsoft Surface line of touchscreen personal computers and Xbox game consoles are the company's main hardware offering. In the Fortune 500 list of biggest American companies by total revenue of 2022, Microsoft came at number 14 as of that year. It was the biggest software manufacturer globally by revenue, together with Amazon, Apple, Facebook's parent from Meta, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, and Apple. It is regarded as one of big 5 American IT businesses. The stock of Microsoft is steadily increasing year by year and is one of the best stocks in the US stocks. If you hold it for a long period, you will make large profit absolutely. So the investment strategy of Microsoft is buy and hold. The earlier we buy, the larger profit we can make.
Well, first of all, let's analyze the stock price trend of Apple's stock in the last 5 years. As we all know, American multinational Apple Inc. is the world's largest technology company and one of the highest market capitalization technology companies in the world. It is also the second largest cell phone manufacturer in the world after Samsung. The company's most famous hardware products are the iPhone smartphone, the iPod tablet, and the Mac personal computer. The software has 6 operating systems, just like Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, Watch OS, tvOS, and the new Vision OS, among others. As a Meta technology company, the trend of his share prices is an important reference. In late 2018 and early 2019, Apple's stock price continued to fall, and on January 3rd, 2019, Apple's stock price completed 10%, the biggest drop in 6 years, making the market value fall below $700 billion. The reason for the plunge may be related to the weakness of the Chinese market. The stock price is a continuous upward trend from 2020 to early 2022. Despite receiving the impact of the new crown outbreak, which may be related to retaliatory spending after the end of the outbreak's closure policy, as well as the change in consumers' spending attitudes. It has fluctuated between 2022 and 2023. It could be affected by the pandemic and the entry of national brands from other countries into the market. For Apple, which is still the world leader in technology, you still have the option to hold it for the long term, which will certainly be profitable. But with the entry of other national tech brands, such as China's Huawei, I would recommend holding more stocks of companies with quality prospects. For example, buy share of Huawei as part of a hedging program. Between July 2023 and January 2024, Apple's stock has been on an erratic trend and several declined due to a number of factors, including the impact of Fed rate hikes and government policy interventions, as well as the rise of other national companies. Although Apple is the world leader in iOS software development and superior technological facilities, it still needs further exploration and research. With the popularization of education and the emergence of talents, the company has to further improve its salary and benefits to attract talents, thereby further consolidating its international position and inversely receiving more cover letters. Okay, next we analyze the stock price trend of Tesla's stock in the last 5 years. Tesla is the largest electric car and solar panel company in the United States. His stock price trend is a very important reference value in the new energy automobile industry. Tesla's stock price has been in a continuous upward trend from 2020 to 2021. And Tesla is the leading electric car company in 2021 with more advanced technology and high-quality supply sources. At one point, its products were superior to other companies in the same industry around the world, and as a result, its stock price hit an all-time high. But the stock price has been erratic in the 2 years since, with significant ups and downs. This has a lot to do with the negative news caused by Tesla's car safety issues. 2023 to date, the stock price has also been volatile. which has a lot to do with the rise of newer energy products from other companies in the same industry. Strong competitors in the same industry has led to a market environment that no longer creates a dominant market, and Tesla's stock price has gradually returned to normal. With the rise of the electric car brand industry in countries around the world, Tesla will need to further optimize all steps of the process, from production technology to cost of goods sold, in order to continue to be the number one company in the industry. Secondly, artificial intelligence, which called AI, is a major trend, and in addition to being low carbon and environmentally friendly, electric car can use AI as a major selling point. Tesla has and is developing technology for future AI driving, which will be a hot seller in the marketplace in the future, and add to the advantage of Tesla's rising stock price. That's all.
Guizhou Multi-Wine Company Limited, established on 20th November 1999, is mainly engaged in production and sales of multi-series wine, and on 27 August 2001, the company's shares were listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. In 2023, the brand value of Guizhou Water reached $87.524 billion. Based on the chart analysis, one can see the decline in the share price in the last few months. Therefore, the strategy for multi-stock is to buy and then sell in a timely manner and refuse to hold for long periods of time. We choose to buy in November 2023 and sell in December 2023. Then our assets speak of going from 1610 RMB per share to 1722 RMB per share. From the demand side, benefit from China's economic prosperity and development, dividend in the industry supply side, optimization in the background of the continuous improvement of the consumption level of the population. Liquor has also become more and more essential consumer goods for people to drink and socialize. From the supply side, the liquor industry has maintained a growth in production, revenue and total profit, but still exceeds capacity, and the competitive pattern of quiescent growth will persist for a long time. In summary, the liquor industry is gradually moving towards to high end. In the context of continued improvement in the level of consumption, high-end liquor will become more and more popular, and Guizhou Malta, as Chinese leading enterprise in the liquor industry, its stock value will be higher and higher. Xiaomi Technology Limited Liability Company, founded on 3rd March 2010. Xiaomi Technology Limited is a globalized mobile internet company and innovative technology enterprise. Xiaomi Group has one of the best stocks in China and we've held for a long time. It will be very profitable. Therefore, our investment strategy for Xiaomi Group is to buy and hold for a long term. If we buy at the lower end of July 2023 and hold until December 2023, our assets will go from 9.8 RMB per share to 16.9 RMB per share. Guanghui Energy has a wide range of business, including but not limited to the production and sale of coal, liquefied natural gas. Guanghui Energy's stock has risen 16.4% from August 2023 to date. So the investment strategy for Guanghui Energy is to buy and hold. In August 2023, it's a lower price. We can buy at the time and hold until January 2024. Our assets will change from 6.38 RMB per share to 7.41 RMB per share. In terms of market direction, China's natural gas markets continue to grow at a high rate. In addition, due to the economic rebound, commodity price rose, coupled with the Middle East oil production cuts There's short supply tension. Oil price will continue to run high. Benefit from the environmental production demand to improve and marked consumption of high-speed growth. The future of the oil and gas extraction industry boom will continue to go high. The above analysis show that Guanghui Energy Company has better prospects for development in China and better prospects for the stock market.
In conclusion, this report combines three different markets used for diversification to reduce risk and analyze these stocks from different directions such as domestic analyze, market analyze, and company analyze. So this portfolio chooses 6 potential stocks which can probably make profit with a low risk given the prevailing market uncertainties and microeconomic challenges. A cautious approach is warranted. While the portfolio has exhibited stability, we recommend a thorough reassessment of risk exposures and reconsideration of defensive assets. Maintaining a watchful eye on global economic indicators will be crucial in adapting the portfolio to changing market conditions.